Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Manne. I'm part of Informatica Global Customer Support team. In this presentation, we'll be going through how to install Hadoop Binaries using Integration Package Manager. Moving on, today's agenda is overview, demo, and summary. Moving on, starting from Informatica 10.5.3 onwards, the distribution packages are removed from the Informatica server and client installation. You need to write a shipping request to get the integration package manager and the corresponding distribution which you want to install. A distribution package is a set of distribution binaries that you will install within the domain for the following process requirement. To push processing to the Hadoop or Databricks environment, to process complex file within the Informatica domain, to connect to Hadoop or Databricks environment when you are processing within the Informatica domain. If you have any above requirement, then you can install the distribution packages according to your cluster Hadoop distribution. You can install distribution package using integration package manager if you have not installed during the upgrade or installation process, or if you want to add a new distribution, or if you want to remove a new distribution, you can use the integration package manager. Moving on, demo. Let me log into the server machine. I have logged into the server machine and I have already copied the integration package manager zip, and when you extract you will see the same folders. Then you need to place the corresponding distribution which you want to install inside the source folder. Let me go to the source folder, and here you can see I have already placed the EMR60 folder which I am trying to install. Let me go back to the previous folder and we'll run the command to install. The command to install is we need to run sh space server.sh console. It will ask for the input of the info home. Let me paste it here, and then it will ask whether you want to install or delete. Now I'm trying to install. I'm selecting Elastic Map Reduce 6.0. You can see there is a log here, and we can verify whether it has installed or not by going through this path. You can see just now the EMR 6.0 has been created. Now we will uh, try to remove the same. I will run same command console, and then it will ask for the info home path when it provide it, and then now we'll select delete, and then we'll select the version, and you can see there will be a log created for deletion also, and we can verify whether it has removed it or not. Yeah, as you can see, it has successfully removed. Moving back to the presentation, you can go through this document for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.